was created using App Inventor, and the UN Sustainable Development Goal it focuses on is SDG 3, health and well-being. A few weeks ago, my family and I went to Orchard Road in Singapore to see the Christmas lights. However, my grandma couldn't walk for very long as her legs are weak from old age. Hence, we had to go back home early. That event inspired me to create an exercise app designed for the elderly to help strengthen their leg and arm muscles. My app encourages the user to take daily walks and exercise more often. Here's a demonstration of how my app works.
Okay, this is my app. If you want to edit your information, you can press on the Edit Information button. To edit your name, type in the Edit Name text box. And to edit your phone number, you type in the Edit Phone Number text box. And to save your information, you press Submit Information. Let's go back. To start your daily walk, you press the Start Daily Walk button. So let's set our step goal. Let's say 3. And let's save it, and let's start walking. So now that I've taken 3 steps, the star will appear, and it says you found the star. And if you want to clear steps taken, then we can press the Clear Steps Taken button. Let's go back to our homepage. Other than walking, there are other exercises as well. If you want to see the visible instructions, you can press the Show Instructions For button. And if you want to play the audible instructions, you can press the Play Audible Instructions button.
Chair exercises. Step 1. Sit on a sturdy chair with a straight back. Step 2. Open and close your fingers several times before forming fists and rotating them 10 times each direction. Step 3. Repeat the same exercise with your feet.
And the same goes for bodyweight workouts. You can also play on the audible instructions for bodyweight workouts as well. So let's go back now.
Let's look at my code. As you can see here, the app was originally supposed to detect when the user is close enough to an object to trip, and send an alert to the user's phone, and send an alert to the user's phone. However, due to a bug in App Inventor's proximity sensor, I couldn't make it work. The rest of the blocks make sure that when a button is pressed, the corresponding screen would open. As seen here, when the buttons cancel or back are clicked, screen 1 will open. And here, when the button submit is clicked, it will join whatever text was already in the personal requirement blank with what the user typed in the corresponding text box, while also blanking the text box. Here, when the button to play the audible instructions for an exercise is pressed, it switches from the source to the voice recording for its respective exercise. And when the button to show the instructions for an exercise is pressed, the instructions become visible. As you can see here, when start is clicked, the pedometer starts and it sets your number of steps to 0. When clear steps is clicked, it resets the pedometer and sets your number of steps to 0. When save is clicked, it will join whatever text was already in the step goal blank with what the user typed in the text box, while also hiding the text box from view. Thank you for listening.